Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today I'm here with Al, and we have a 1946 Chevrolet Restomod, you said?
Business coupe, yep.
Business coupe, yes.
The car was probably done 10, 15 years ago, but in really outstanding shape. Couple little chips in the front grille, but other than that,
I love the
The
pinstriping.
majority of the paint's really good.
So
It's
nice.
a popper shaved door, so it has
Yep.
the doors off it and they're shaved. It's got a 3-speed automatic transmission, Hurst automatic shifter in it. Rear charging station for the back bumper, for the back battery, excuse me, bumper. But a really
very
solid, sharp sounding. Goes down the highway.
So the poppers, there's one down here. It's under the muffler. It's a little hook. Just yank on it. Pop it
Also
open.
one in the. There's also one in the.
The center, right.
And there's also one in the center of the dash, which I
Sure.
really like. A lot of guys don't do that. But the nice original gauges in it. Does have a aftermarket steering wheel in it. Just a real comfortable car. Good sounding stereo too.
Cool. There's a back seat there too. Black leather.
Yep, you got the side windows that work. Proper body tag on it.
Really nice. All right. All right.
Quick road video of the 46 Business Coupe. Wow, nice steering in it. Full gauges, tachometer work, speedometer, odometer work, oil gauge, pressure gauge.
Yeah, the turning radius and the steering is phenomenal in this car.
It really is. So we'll take it down the road, then we'll get it up on the hoist. Nice driving day today. I love the way she sounds. She's got really nice baffled exhaust on it. The header. A real powerful, good shifting. I'm excited about these cars, you know, especially the prices have come down on this era of car. You can get a really cool, nice running car without having to bust the bank. All right, here we go. Just shifts nice, doesn't leak oil, which you're going to see on the bottom of the video. Solid pans, disc brakes, power steering. Here we go again. Just as tight as tight can be. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah, it is.
I love it, man. Why do they make cars like this now that sound like this, drive like this, feel like this?
Right.
Yeah, you stop at a gas station, people are all over it wanting to know what it is, but just a real fun car. Solid, professionally done. Drive it normal too.
Right.
Do that also.
Sure.
So we'll spin her back around, get her up on the hoist for you, and we'll go from there.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.